That's that big boy weight, 70. Feels like a balloon in my hand. That's right. Just got finished clanging and banging. Now it's time to feed the muscles. Look up, right outside my gym, and what do I see? Eugene's Hot Chicken. Perfect time for a food review. Let's get it. All right, it's time for a food review. The outside of the packaging, a little bit sloppy, but it's not what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside. Here we have popcorn chicken with fried okra and honey mustard sauce. Comes with a pickle. There's a piece of bread at the bottom. Let me give the chicken a try. It's tender, moist, crunchy, delicious. A little bit of spice. Very good. Try the fried okra. Pickled fried okra. Tastes a lot like a fried pickle. Very good. Overall, give it a 7.5 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed.